Welcome to Everyday English.
Hey everyone! Today's video is all about how to use WH family words. Who? Ask about person, act as subject of the sentence.
Who is coming to the party?
My friends Lisa and Alex are coming.
Who is the teacher for this class?
Miss Johnson is the teacher.
Who is that on the phone?
It's my cousin Sarah.
Who is your favorite superhero?
I really like Spider-Man.
Who is responsible for this mess?
I think it was my little brother. Where? Asking in or at what place or position.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Where did you put your keys?
I left my keys on the kitchen table.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company downtown.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Chicago.
Where is the nearest park?
The nearest park is just a block away. Why? Asking for reason, explanation.
Why did you choose that restaurant?
I chose that restaurant because they have amazing reviews.
Why are you studying for the exam?
I'm studying to do well and pass the exam.
Why do you like playing soccer?
I enjoy soccer because it's a fun and competitive sport.
Why are you late to the meeting?
I got caught in heavy traffic on the way here.
Why are you wearing a jacket today?
It's cold outside, so I'm keeping warm. When? Asking about time, occasion, moment.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 15th.
When did you start working here?
I started working here last year in September.
When are you planning to visit your grandparents?
I'm planning to visit them next weekend.
When does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7:30 p.m.
When did you learn to swim?
I learned to swim when I was 7 years old. What? Asking for specific thing, object.
What's for breakfast?
I'm having cereal and yogurt for breakfast.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 2 p.m.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What's your plan for the weekend?
I'm planning to relax and catch up on reading. How? Asking for way, manner, form.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thank you.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus to work.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I spent time with family.
How do you make your coffee?
I use a French press and add milk and sugar.
How's the weather outside?
It's a bit cloudy, but not too cold. Which? Asking about choice.
Which movie are we watching tonight?
We're watching The Avengers.
Which shirt should I wear to the party?
I think the blue one would look nice.
Which route do you take to work?
I usually take the highway.
Which restaurant serves your favorite pizza?
The pizzeria downtown has the best pizza.
Which gym do you go to?
I go to the gym on Maple Street. How many? Asking about quantity, used with countable nouns.
How many cups of coffee do you drink in a day?
I usually have 2 cups of coffee.
How many emails did you receive today?
I received about 20 emails.
How many people are coming to the party?
There will be around 15 people.
How many hours of sleep did you get last night?
I got about 7 hours of sleep.
How many items do you need from the grocery store?
I need 6 items from the list. How often? Asking about frequency. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. How often do you visit your family? I visit them once a month. How often do you go out for dinner? I go out for dinner about twice a week. How often do you check your email? I check my email several times a day. How often do you watch TV? I watch TV every evening for an hour. How often do you travel for work? I travel for work once or twice a year.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.